A simplified approach to Angular components. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about a simplified approach to Angular components. So Angular components are the main building blocks for Angular applications. Each component consists of an HTML template, a TypeScript class, a CSS selector, and optionally CSS styles. You can create and configure Angular components using the Angular CLI, or you can create manually. The Angular CLI is the best way to create an Angular component as it generates all the necessary files and metadata for you. You can use the ng-generate component, that is component name command, to create a component where component name is the name of your new component. For more information, you can choose this site and visit it. Alternatively, you can create a component manually by creating a TypeScript file, importing the component decorator from @angular/core and adding a @component decorator with the selector, template, and styles properties. This is also a hypothetical prototype of a simplified approach to Angular components called analog.js that reduces the reliance on ng modules and streamlines the authoring experience. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.